Ever wanted to play background music, sound effects, or voice notes on your website? With just one HTML tag, you can bring sound to life on your page. And have you ever seen websites where you can download music and all of that? We'll be exploring how we can do that using HTML. Hello, guys, and welcome to Creative Arts Academy, your go-to channel for digital skills like graphic designing, video editing, web development, and more. So if you are joining us for the first time, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. So in this video, we'll be exploring how we can add audio to our websites. Sometimes you see some websites, their audios, you can download audios. Most times if you want to, download any song, you go online and you browse and you download from a website. So those websites, how do they add those audios to their website? It's very simple and very easy. So first of all, we go over to our file. This is the file I'm working on, and we create a folder inside. So we call this folder music. Call it music. Now come here and we copy this song, copy this audio, back to our music file, our music folder, and then we paste it. So we have it here. Now let's head back to our code editor. So here you can see music, you can see video. So we are working with music. So the tag for that is called audio. So we have our audio and the audio source. First of all, music, because the actual audio is under a folder called music. So we use the music and then the name of this music. Yes, so let's preview to see what we have. I guess you cannot see anything here. There is a reason for that. So why you can't see anything is because you did not add any control. So after the source, add your control. So this control will display the pause, play, and the music timeline. So let's preview that. So now you can see our music timeline. Let's play it. Okay, you just heard the audio. It's actually a song. It's just an audio I had to use. So like a notification. Yeah. So that's the importance of adding that control. If not, you will not be able to see your audio. Now I can even decide to download this audio from here. You can see playback speed. Now instead of we can also add our autoplay. The autoplay will just play the audio once the page loads. I guess you heard the notification sound. So if I add this autoplay, I can add loop. Now this loop will replay the audio once it stop. You can see the sound is just going over and over. It's because of the loop we added. And I can also decide to mute it. So you can say muted. Muted, now you cannot hear the sound again. It's no longer there. And you can also add preload. So the preload suggests how much of the audio should be preloaded. And for the preload, set as auto. So if I was actually online, you would have seen more options like download. I can even download this my audio from here. So those music sites you usually see, this is how it is being done. Very easy and simple. And soon we'll start working on how we can build most of these websites, like a site where you can download movies, a site where you can download audios. before we go over to building professional websites. So if you enjoyed the video, ensure you subscribe, like, and don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section. See you in the next video.